Hello there, everybody. Well, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you a trick that I've never taught anybody. So, this is a trick for old auto trimmers or auto upholsterers. I don't know if it's for old, as in age, or old, being that I learned this trick about 40 years ago. So, anyway, here we go. So, this is the trick. All the auto upholsterers, they all know about hog rings, and that's what these are. These are the fasteners that you clip all the seat covers on with for, like, say, your car seats. So anyway, you can see how they all stick together like this. So this is what you do. You bet somebody $5, $10, $1, $50. You bet them that you could take one hog ring in your hand like this with a hook, and that you can pick up all of the hog rings off the table. And then somebody says, well, yeah, you can't do that, and because you promised that you're going to pick up every one. So they say, okay, I'll bet you. So this is what you do. You take your one hog ring, you hook it up like this, and then what you do is you grab your container and lift it off the table. $10 richer.